Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Nano eLearn, Learning Made Easy. Today I am going to start Selenium WebDriver tutorials. In this session, I am going to explain how to set up Selenium development environment as a step 1. These are the topics I am going to cover in today's session. How to set up Selenium development environment, part of it, how to install Java on Windows operating system, and how to configure its Java path. At the end of this session, one can get an understanding on installation of Java and how to configure the Java path. Let us start with downloading and installation of Java on Windows operating system. To download Java, we need to open www.google.com website and search with the word download Java on Google search text box. Then you click on search button. You will find Java SC downloads link in the search results from the website oracle.com. Now click on this link. It is navigated to Java SC downloads page. Then click on JDK download link. Now scroll down on the page. You will see Java SC Development Kit 15 or 14 based on the latest download. Now it would be 15 version. Then all the versions for different platforms are also shown on the same page. To figure out which OS you are using, open the properties from the PC and check out the OS bit version, and accordingly you make a decision to download relevant exe file and install the Java. For this, you need to select PC and go to the properties. Here you can see the operating system edition, that is Windows 10 Pro in my machine. You can also see the system type here, that is 64-bit type operating system with x64 based processor. So as I just explained, let's follow these steps. I have navigated to www.google.com website. Now type download Java. You can see Java SC downloads from oracle.com website in the search results. Click on the link. It will be navigated to Java SC downloads page. Now click on Java JDK download link. In this page, you can see Java SC Development Kit 15.0.1. As I said, this is the latest version of Java Development Kit. Here you can see different exe files of various platforms here like Linux, Mac OS and Windows. As my system I have just shown it is a 64-bit. It uses 64-bit processor. I need to click on this link and download this JDK file. I have already downloaded the file in my machine. Once the file is downloaded, you can see that in the downloads page. Now double click on it and click on the actual standard installation process for any exe file on Windows and complete the installation. After installation, follow the next steps. Let us see how to configure Java on Windows operating system. After installation of Java on Windows, open command prompt and type java-version to check the Java path is configured in the environment variable or not. That is, it can identify where the Java installable is. So let us see how this works. Now type java-version. It says Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. You can see since the path is not configured yet, we are seeing this message. Though the Java is installed, you can see in the program files, the Java folder, you can see that Java JDK 15.0.1 folder is there and also the bin directory. Since the environment variable and the Java path is not configured here, we are giving and seeing this message. We are seeing this message. So hence this is the reason why we are about to setting up the environment variable, because it looks for the environment variable while running the Selenium scripts. Basically, it looks for Java home and Java path values to see which Java version need to be picked up. So it looks for the specific path so as to execute particular Selenium program. Since path is not set up, we need to go ahead and set up the path. For this, go to the PC, right click, click on Properties, Advanced System Settings link, click Environment Variables button in the Advanced tab. Now in System Variables section below, set the path variable and click on Edit. Then you see that there is no Java path set up here. So now go to the bin folder of Java folder that is available on program files. Copy its path till bin and click on New and add the copied path. Finally click on OK button to submit the path. That is, as I just explained, go to My PC, Properties, click on Advanced System Settings, click on Environment Variables button, select the path, click on Edit, then click on New. Here, as I just explained, you need to copy the path till bin directory and paste the path here. Click on OK button. Also, you need to set up the Java home path too. For this, go to the before bin folder path on program files in the Java folder. Then copy its path before bin till before bin. Now click on New, type Java_home as variable name and paste the copied path as variable value, then click on OK button to submit. Now close and reopen the command prompt. Now type Java-version in the command prompt to recognize Java version from any directory. Let's see how this works. I'm closing this. Now before bin folder is this one. I am copying this path. Now I am navigating to the properties again, advanced system settings, click on environment variables. Now click on new. Now I am typing Java_home as variable name and I am pasting the copied path till before bin path. Click on OK. Click on OK again. OK. Come back and open the command prompt. Now you can see when user types Java-version, the Java version is displayed now correctly as intended. This is how we can able to set up environment variable and you could able to configure the Java path to run the Selenium scripts. Here you can see the Selenium official website URLs. This is the old URL, which is www.seleniumhq.org, and which later and now this was updated as www.selenium.dev, which is the new official Selenium website URL which is in use today. That's it for today's session. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.